Hello and welcome to another sunny Florida day here at Jumbo Equipment. We've been in the business for 25 years. Our website is jumboauto.com. We have crew cab, diesel dumps, any type of commercial pickup. That's what we specialize in, as well as mowers, as you can see. Today we have a Yazoo Kees Mini Max commercial 34-inch deck. This is the one, guys. Okay, powered by a Kawasaki 17 horsepower motor. This thing has the best gas mileage. It's basically brand new with about 29 hours on it. The tires are brand new. And of course, that 34-inch deck, getting through those gates, very important for you. This is the perfect residential machine right here. Slim, and it's brand new. Take a look at that. Take a little closer look at the deck here. As you can see, everything is in perfect shape. Brand new deck wheel. Let's take a look at the hydro pumps. A little closer look at the motor. We're gonna get it started for you guys in a few minutes. Nice overall machine. PTO engagement, choke, throttle, hour meter, and we're going to demonstrate running for you right now. My name is Jonathan. My phone number is 954-534-2059. We're going to be selling this mower, no reserve, as well as our other mowers, a Toro, a Kubota, a John Deere, and a Snapper Pro. We've been doing this for a long time, and again, if you guys need anything, just let us know. Shipping around the country, we're here for you. Again, my name is Jonathan, and don't forget our website, jumboauto.com.